Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make chocolate oats crumble cake. This is a triple layered cake which tastes absolutely delicious. And a definite must try. Take 1.5 cups instant oats. Sift together 3/4 cup of flour, 250 grams of icing sugar. Half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift them with the help of a spatula. The complete list of ingredients is given at the end of the video. Now mix the flour mixture and the oats well until both are fully incorporated. Make sure that all the oats and flour is thoroughly combined. Add 3/4 cup of melted butter and mix with the oats mixture by crumbling with your fingers. It need not be moist and soft but have a crumbly texture, where all the oats particles are covered with the flour and butter. Transfer 2/3 of this mixture to a 9x9 baking tray. Spread evenly and pat it to stay firm with a spatula. Place this in the freezer. Place a bowl over simmering water. Place the butter and the chocolates to double boil them. Make sure that the flame is very low. This is such an easy treat with no great effort. I am sure you will love this. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more amazing recipes in the future. Take it off the flame. Melt any remaining chocolates. Take 3 eggs in a blender jar. Add half a cup of sugar. Half cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour. 1 tablespoon instant coffee. This would enhance the flavor. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You may add 1 teaspoon if you like. Blend them all for a few seconds. Add in the chocolate mixture and blend for a few more seconds. Pour it over the oats layer. Sprinkle the remaining oats all over the chocolate layer. Make sure to cover every spot. Break any big lumps. Pat gently. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then for a further 5 minutes only in the bottom heat. Let it cool down and cut into desired size. Do try this out and tell me how it turned out in the comments down below. Don't forget to check other amazing recipes by Cooking Craves.